Very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and you are completing your work in your English copies, means English first and English second. Are you not doing? Oh, you are doing. Your school is just going to be opened. Any day you will get information that your school is going to be opened. So get ready. बिल्कुल तैयार रहिए स्कूल आने के लिए. कॉपीज में वर्क कंप्लीट रखिए और बिल्कुल तैयार रहना है आपको. Okay, students, in this session today, I am going to continue the unit 11 and the unit name is That Little Square Box. It is composed by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Okay, so I am now reading on the page number 119 and the paragraph number is 13. Okay. From the first moment of their conversation, I had felt a horrible sense of misgiving. Children, misgiving means doubt. So, narrator speaker is saying that the first moment when I heard them, पहला वो पल, फर्स्ट मोमेंट जो था जब मैंने उनकी बात सुनी, उनकी दोनों की बात सुनी, तो मैंने एक हॉरिबल सेंस ऑफ फॉरगिविंग फील किया. मुझे उन पर डाउट हुआ. मैं स्केयर्ड हो गया कि समथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी रॉन्ग. इट seemed more than confirmed as I gazed at what lay before me. और ये कंफर्मेशन ज़्यादा कंफर्म हो गया. ये जो थॉट था हॉरिबल होने का, ये जो हमारा डाउट था, ये ज़्यादा कंफर्म हो गया. किस बात से? जब मैंने गेज किया. चिल्ड्रन, गेज मीन्स जब मैंने ध्यान से देखा कि मेरे सामने क्या है. मेरे सामने क्या है? इट वॉज अ लिटिल स्क्वायर बॉक्स मेड ऑफ सम डार्क वुड. ये एक छोटा सा स्क्वायर बॉक्स था जो कि डार्क वुड का बना हुआ था. इट रिमाइंडेड मी ऑफ अ पिस्टल केस. ये देख के मुझे याद आया कि इट मे बी अ पिस्टल केस. पिस्टल मीन्स स्मॉल गन, स्मॉल गन रखने का डिब्बा. तो जस्ट आई रिमाइंड, मुझे तुरंत याद आया, ओ इट मे बी अ पिस्टल केस. Only it was much higher. But it was a little bit higher. Okay. There was a trigger-like arrangement upon the lid. बच्चों, lid means covering. जो उसकी covering, on the covering there was a arrangement which was just looking like a trigger. Means वहाँ से trigger वो push कर सकते. To which a coil of string was attached. और that trigger was attached with a coil of string, a kind of string. A coil means coil जो होती है रस्सी कह सकते हैं, string का एक घेरा, उससे attached था. Beside this trigger there was a small square opening through the wood. Children, beside this trigger, इस trigger के beside, by the side of the trigger, there was a small square opening. In the picture you can see there is a small square opening through the wood. Through the wood there was a small square opening. The tall man Flanagan, as his companion called him, peered in for several minutes with an expression of intense anxiety upon his face. The tall man, whose name was Flanagan, okay, and the other name was Muller. It is written here, Flanagan. So the tall man who was Flanagan was a taller than the other one. So he peered, उसने ध्यान से देखा. Many times he peered, and on his face there was an expression of serious anxiety. He was looking some worried. He was looking he was looking a little bit excited for what he was planning to do. It seems right enough, he said at last. When he peered, then he said, okay, it seems right. Now this is the right time. I tried not to shake it, said his companion. Then his companion, who was his companion? Yes, he was Muller. Muller said, I tried my best not to shake this box. Such delicate things need delicate treatment. Then the other one said, this is a delicate thing, and these kind of things means delicate things should be treated delicately. Means we have to take care of those kind of things. Put in some of the needful, Muller. Put in some of the needful. He said you have to put your more care on this box. Okay, now this page is completed. Next page. The shorter man looked in his pocket for some time and then produced a small paper packet. Now the shorter man, what was his name? Yes, he was Muller. Muller looked in his pocket for some time. Then he took out a small paper packet. He opened this. Then he opened this packet and took out half a handful of wheatish grains. Then he took out some kind of wheatish grain. Means it was looking like wheatish grain. गेहूं के दाने है ना, wheatish grain. So he took out a handful of wheatish grain thing, which he poured down through the hole. There was a hole. I just told you that there was a hole on that small brown box. So from that box he poured that wheatish grains. A curious clinking noise followed from the inside of the box, and both the men smiled in a satisfied way. Now they both were looking very strange people. They they were looking strange, as well as the grains which they poured into the hole. That wheatish grain make a strange clinking noise, right? From the box they heard a clinking noise which was seemed very curious, very strange, very unusual. And then they both looked satisfied and they both smiled. Okay, next para. Look out, here is someone coming, said Flanagan. Now Flanagan said, look, be aware, someone is coming. Take it down to our berth. Now he told the other one to put that box under their berth. We won't need it until tonight and it will be safe there. They said that we would not need it till the night, so it will be safe there. So put it under the berth. Whose berth? Under their berth. It wouldn't do to have anyone suspecting what our game is, or worse still, have them fumbling with the box and letting it off by mistake. Children, fumbling means handling the box clumsily or carelessly. Means एक तो होता है कि किसी चीज को केयरफुली हैंडल करना, एंड द अदर वर्ड अपोजिट ऑफ दिस वर्ड इज केयरलेसली. तो ही सेड कि no one will suspect on our game. He said कि nobody, कोई भी हमारे गेम पर सस्पेक्ट भी नहीं करेगा और कुछ बुरा भी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि हमें ज़रूरत ही नहीं है इसको हैंडल करने की. ये आराम से वहाँ रखा रहेगा. नहीं तो हो सकता है कि अगर हम बार बार इसकी जगह प्लेस इसकी चेंज करें तो हम केयरलेस हो जाएं. सो लेट इट, हो सकता है बाय मिस्टेक इसको हम ज़्यादा इधर उधर करें तो हमारा जो प्लान है वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाए. सो लेट इट बी kept there under their berth. And the two men laughed with a cold, harsh laugh before bearing the mysterious little box away with them. अब उन दोनों ने उस बॉक्स को अपने से दूर रख दिया, है ना, और they laughed with a cold, harsh laugh. They laughed very harshly. They laughed very carelessly. There was a kind of expression of strangeness, and they laughed freely. Okay, How long I remained sitting on that coil of rope, I shall never know. तो स्पीकर इज सेइंग कि मैं वहाँ पर कब तक बैठा रहा, किसके पास, उस जो कॉइल ऑफ रोप थी, बहुत देर तक बैठा रहा. कब तक बैठता. I tried to recall the words which have been spoken in the terrible dialogue. Now I was I was recalling the words which those two men spoke with each other when they were doing their conversation to each other, and their language was looking very terrible, very dangerous. It seemed to the speaker that something wrong will happen on that ship. I had overheard. Students, heard means listen. Heard means सुन लेना. कोई भी बात कर रहा है सुन लेना. But overheard means छिप करके सुनना. किसी किसी की बात को छिप करके सुनना. तो I had overheard. मैंने उनकी बात को छिप करके सुना था. Could this fact lead to any other conclusion? I thought कि ये जो बात थी इसका कोई रिजल्ट कुछ और हो सकता है. It was clear to me that they were the desperate agent of some group. I was confirmed. It was very clear to me that they were the agent of some kind of evil group. किसी बुरे ग्रुप के वो कोई एजेंट है. Who intended to sacrifice themselves, जो खुद को तो sacrifice करेंगे, but their fellow passengers and the ship in one great explosion, and with the great explosion they will sacrifice themselves. But sorry student, sorry, but with them they would sacrifice the lives of the fellow passengers, and not only that, they will exploit the ship also. They will destroy the ship also. They will lose their life, and they will lose the other passengers life also, and they will destroy the ship also. Okay, I think it is enough for today. So children, take care and goodbye.